Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Amazon Prime account in easy steps. So first you are going to open the application and of course you need to be logged into your account. After that, when you are in the home page, in the bottom center you will find your profile icon. You just select it, and then on the top right you will find the gear icon. You select that one, and here in the options you are going to choose my account. You select that, and then here you will find three options, and obviously you are going to choose the second one, delete account. You just click here, and here as you can see you will need to read carefully the policy and etc. And then once you finish you just scroll down, you choose the reason. Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account, and you just choose close my account, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.